Joy feels deeper. It feels quieter. It feels like something in you recognizes something in the world, and for a moment you are completely present. Joy in our dogs isn't something we install or shape into existence. It's something that appears when the conditions are right, when we observe without forcing, when the environment feels safe and the dog feels free. Ty found joy in movement, not toys or food or praise. So she joined him. She ran with him. She let this rhythm of motion become the conversation. And in that shared movement, something shifted. His body loosened. His expression changed. His world expanded. That spark appeared. That was joy. And from that joy came trust. From trust came connection, and from connection came everything else. She didn't install joy. She simply uncovered it. I worked with a dog once who seemed uninterested in play. The environment was too open, the space was too bright, and the energy was too forward. He picked up a leaf and he tossed it into the air, and it had this spark of mischief. That leaf toss wasn't play. That leaf toss was joy. I once worked with a dog that everyone labeled as serious. He did the work, he followed the cues, he focused hard, but no one had ever seen him play freely. One day after a session, when everything was quiet and no one was expecting anything from him, he walked over to a fallen branch, and he just placed a paw on it, and then another. And he started doing this tap dance with his front feet. It was subtle and kind of delicate. Your dog already has stars inside them. Your job is simply to notice where they glow. Follow your dog's joy like a North Star. It will never steer you wrong.